You say you want more out of life, but you're stuck. You wake up, scroll, feel busy, but deep inside you know you're not moving forward. Why? Because productivity isn't about fancy routines, it's about facing the truth you keep avoiding. You keep waiting for the right mood. You tell yourself, I'll start when I feel ready. But the truth is, you never do. Real productivity is what you do when you don't feel good. High achievers don't wait for motivation. They create it by taking action, even with low energy. Start small and motivation will follow. Some of you are so busy, but you're not actually getting anywhere. 6 half-finished projects, 3 business ideas that never launched, and countless open tabs. That's not impressive, that's exhausting. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about finishing the right thing. Pick one thing and complete it. Done is better than busy, be honest. How many times did you check your phone today? Every scroll resets your brain. Every notification kills your flow. You waste hours without even noticing. Protect your focus like your life depends on it, because it does. Turn off distractions. Give yourself one focused hour every day. That 1 hour will change your life more than an entire day of multitasking. The biggest promise you keep breaking is the one you make to yourself. You say, tomorrow I'll get serious, but tomorrow comes and nothing changes. Every time you break your word, you lose confidence in yourself. But here's the shift. Start small and follow through. Do what you said you'd do, no matter how tiny it is. Confidence is built in those quiet, unseen moments where you prove to yourself you can be trusted. Books, podcasts, motivational videos, you love to consume them. It feels like progress, but it's not. Learning is only powerful when you act on it. Reading about discipline won't make you disciplined. Watching a video about starting a business isn't the same as building one. Stop soaking up endless information. Learn less, do more. Apply what you learned today, not someday, so stop waiting. Stop scrolling. Stop lying to yourself. Productivity isn't about being perfect, it's about action. One small step repeated every day can transform your life. The question is, will you start today?